Welcome to our channel, Simple Beauty Secrets. In this video, I'll share some amazing beauty hacks, all using toothpaste. When you get an unsightly burn or abrasion, toothpaste makes a great salve. Simply apply a generous amount to the affected area and let it soak for 20 to 30 minutes. Then gently wipe clean with a tissue. You'll be surprised at how toothpaste decreases inflammation and speeds healing. Do you have embarrassing darkened skin around your mouth? Use toothpaste to restore its natural color. Apply a liberal amount directly on the area and gently rub it into your skin. Let it sit for about 20 minutes, then remove it with a tissue. You'll have beautiful, radiant skin once more. Before we go on, please take a moment to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Does skin discoloration on your knuckles have you biting your nails? Again, it's toothpaste to the rescue. Dot it on your fingers and knuckles, then scrub with an old toothbrush or nail brush. Let it soak for 20 to 30 minutes and then wipe clean. Wow, beautiful results. Does acne have you feeling down? For this remedy, start with petroleum jelly, add a dollop of toothpaste, and smooth the paste onto the trouble areas as a mask, gently massaging it into your skin. Then wipe your face with a tissue or cloth. You'll be so pleased with the results. Do your lips have a tendency to darken? Toothpaste is the answer. Put it on your lips and then brush gently. Now that's an improvement. No more dead skin residue, just beautiful pink lips. Here's another trick to get rid of discoloration around your mouth. Use half a tomato to gently rub toothpaste onto the area. The mild acid in the tomato helps bleach away the troublesome dark patches. Afterwards, wipe clean with a tissue or cloth. Your skin will be fresh and glowing. Do you have ugly blackheads and whiteheads on your nose? Here's an easy fix. Use this mixture of toothpaste and baking soda to scrub the area gently for several minutes. Wipe it off and enjoy the difference. You'll be so pleased to see beautiful, clear skin once again. If you have rough, ugly nails and cuticles, you know how embarrassing it can be. Toothpaste is a great cure. Just dot it on your nails and brush gently. Wipe off the excess with a tissue. The toothpaste helps soften and remove dead skin and also adds shine to your nails. So easy and so effective. Do pimples and whiteheads make you feel like hiding? Here's a healing solution. Take a stem of aloe vera and peel it. Cut it into chunks and use these as a paddle to massage toothpaste onto the problem area. Leave it on for 20 to 30 minutes. The aloe vera helps calm inflammation and the toothpaste helps speed healing. Then rinse with warm water. It feels great to have clear, smooth, beautiful skin. Use toothpaste to lighten and groom thick, dark eyebrows. Put it on your brows and let it soak for about 30 minutes. And see lighter, prettier brows. Toothpaste is your best friend for keeping lips pink and soft. Just apply the paste directly to your lips and brush with a toothbrush for several minutes. Then wipe with a tissue to reveal soft, velvety pink lips. We hope you've enjoyed these easy toothpaste hacks. Please like and share this video and subscribe to our channel. That's all for now. See you in my next video. Till then, bye.